Good morning. It's a beautiful day for December 27th. Not too much snow on the ground yet. I want to show you my wild bird feeding station. And it's in here. These are all my tomato cages that I use for my tomatoes in the summertime. And in the wintertime I put them over here and they turn into bird perches. And on the inside of these, I can feed some of the smaller birds, like the chickadees, and none of the bigger birds go in there. So it works out real good for them, and they can perch on the whole thing. Or they can go up in the tree here and they can perch. Feeding birds is one of my favorite things to do. And I will show you how I feed them. I do not use bird feeders. I never have. I don't believe in putting all the food in just one tiny little spot and expecting all the birds to fight over it. So I do things like this. It's a little bird feeding tray I use it for. It's a little table actually. And it drains. So I put the black sunflower seeds out and then I put them peanuts out for the blue jays. Most of the birds that come here do eat the seeds. Like I have 52 pigeons that come here and eat seeds, tons of chickadees, I got blue jays, cardinals. Nobody's here right now because I'm standing right in the middle of it. So anyway, I just got done feeding the birds and they should be here as soon as I walk away. I put the seed on the ground primarily because birds would prefer to actually eat on the ground, not out of little tiny feeders. So besides that, I spread the majority of it out on the ground here. I also put sunflower seeds up here in these 3 tree crooks, and that is for the chickadees. Chickadees are so tiny they get trampled by other birds, so I always put it in a special spot for them. Oh, and over here. Oh, by the way, that's a big bird perch. A lot of birds sit up there. My cat loves climbing this too. It's a pergola, but I call it my bird perch. So here's how I feed the meat eaters. That's all pork fat. Any kind of leftovers that I have, I bring out here and I feed it to the starlings, the crows, and the ravens. So I like to spread it out so they have plenty of room so they're not arguing so much. So that's my little bird, my wild bird feeding spot. One of the things that I look forward to in the winter so much. There you go. Have a great day.